Mental health is an important issue, and it's essential to stay informed about the facts.
Mental health facts can help us to better understand how to take care of our mental well-being and how to support those around us who are struggling with their mental health.
Here are 10 mental health facts that everyone needs to know.
This is a shocking statistic that highlights the prevalence of mental health issues in our society.
It means that approximately 20% of adults are struggling with conditions such as depression, anxiety, bipolar disorder, or schizophrenia.
It is important to recognize that mental illness can affect anyone regardless of age, gender, race, or socioeconomic status.
Approximately 10 million adults in the United States are struggling with serious mental health disorders.
These disorders can greatly impact a person's ability to function in their daily life and can have severe consequences if left untreated. However, it's important to note that seeking help can make all the difference in improving mental health outcomes.
Suicide is a tragic end result of mental health issues. Sadly, it is the 10th leading cause of death in the United States.
This statistic highlights the importance of improving mental health support and resources available to those who are struggling. Suicide prevention should be a priority for individuals, families, and society as a whole. By improving mental health services, reducing stigma, and increasing awareness, we can work together to prevent more senseless deaths and improve the quality of life for those who are struggling with mental illness.
This fact highlights the importance of addressing mental health issues in children and teenagers.
The teenage years can be a tumultuous time, with various challenges such as puberty, academic pressures, social relationships, and family dynamics. These can all contribute to mental health struggles. Furthermore, mental illness can also have a negative impact on a teenager's development and future prospects. It can interfere with academic and social activities, impair decision-making, and affect relationships.
Mental illness is a complex issue that affects millions of people worldwide.
While we have made great strides in understanding mental illness and mental health disorders, there is still much we don't know about the causes of these conditions. Contrary to popular belief, there is no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to the root causes of mental illness. Research suggests that mental health disorders can be influenced by a variety of factors, including genetics, brain chemistry, environmental factors, and life experiences. Despite progress made in the fight against mental health stigma, many people still believe that mental illness is a result of personal weakness or a character flaw.
This harmful misconception couldn't be further from the truth. Mental illness is a complex medical condition that affects the brain's structure and function, just like any physical illness. Just as diabetes isn't caused by weakness, mental illness isn't either.
Anyone can develop a mental illness, regardless of their strength or character. Despite the fact that mental health is a critical aspect of overall well-being, people with mental health conditions often face significant stigmatization.
Unfortunately, this stigma is a real and pervasive issue that can lead to shame, isolation, and a reluctance to seek help.
Mental illness is often misunderstood, and people may make incorrect assumptions or harbor unfounded fears about those who are affected by it.
It is important to know that mental illness is treatable.
With the right treatment and support, people can recover and lead productive lives. Treatment for mental illness can include medication, therapy, and support groups. It is essential to work with a mental health professional to find the right treatment plan for you. Seeking help is a brave and important step towards recovery. If you or someone you know is struggling with a mental illness, know that there is help available and recovery is possible. Don't be afraid to reach out for support. Despite the prevalence of mental health disorders, recovery is possible for those who seek treatment and support. While recovery may look different for each individual, it often involves a combination of therapy, medication, and support from loved ones. It's important to remember that recovery is a process and may involve setbacks, but with perseverance and patience, it is possible. Self-care is also a crucial aspect of recovery. This can involve activities such as exercise, healthy eating, and getting enough sleep.
It's important to prioritize self-care.
Despite the daunting statistics surrounding mental illness, it's important to remember that there is hope for those who are struggling. Mental illness is treatable, and with the right resources and support, individuals can recover and lead fulfilling lives. There are numerous resources available for those struggling with mental health issues, including therapy, medication, support groups, and crisis hotlines.
It's important to reach out for help and to never give up on the journey towards healing and recovery.
With the right treatment and support, those living with mental illness can lead healthy and fulfilling lives.
Remember, there is hope. Now that you know these important mental health facts, it's time to take action.
Whether it's seeking treatment for yourself or a loved one, speaking out against stigma, or simply educating others about mental health, we can all make a difference. Remember, mental illness is common and treatable, and recovery is possible. Don't be afraid to reach out for help if you need it, and keep spreading awareness about the importance of mental health. Together, we can make a difference. Please check out the description for mental health resources. Also like and subscribe for more videos.